to show you exactly how I make $20,000 a month in almost passive income from my digital course and coaching business using a simple funnel formula anyone can replicate. My name is Maylea, and I grew my online business from no sales to consistent 20K months in just 90 days. And today I run a global brand that's done over 7 figures in sales, and I'm here to give entrepreneurs like you the blueprint to grow your audience and automate your sales so you can build a profitable personal brand that works for you 24/7 so you don't have to. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. I put out brand new videos on this channel every week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training I release. Look, I'm not here to tell you that growing your business to 20K months is going to be easy. It's not. But that doesn't mean that it has to be complicated. And I see too many online business owners burying themselves in busy work, constantly working on their business without the money to show for it because, quite frankly, they've been taught to overcomplicate it. It's not your fault. I mean, just open up your Instagram or your TikTok feed and you will be instantly bombarded with 1,000,001 different strategies, all promising to be essential to the success of your business. This results in to-do lists that are a mile long and an endless sea of late nights and early mornings that lead to overwhelm and burnout, and I'm here to help you avoid that. When I launched my personal brand, I had no audience, no influence, and no clue where to start. What I did have was an idea for a course I wanted to create in an area I felt knowledgeable in, but that was where it stopped. I had no idea how to create a digital course, much less how to market and sell it. I had no idea what to post on social media, much less how to use that content to grow an audience of people who'd actually want to buy my stuff. I didn't know anything about building an email list, hosting webinars, or running launches. Maybe you can relate. So, like most people, I went online looking for help. And like most people, I was instantly overwhelmed with all the noise out there. I invested in courses on how to create digital courses on how to grow on Instagram, how to use Facebook groups for more sales. I invested in courses on video marketing and webinars and launch strategies. And 6 months later, after investing well over $10,000 in strategies for how to launch and grow a business, I didn't have a single sale to show for it. I was at the end of my rope. So I took everything I'd learned, I spread it out on the kitchen table, and I asked myself, how can I take all these random strategies and piece them together into a simple business plan that allows me to grow an audience, capture leads, and convert sales in a way that's simple and actually feels good? I developed a framework that I call my autopilot profit system. And within 90 days, I went from never having made a single sale to celebrating my first 20K month. And the best part is I was working less than ever before, having more fun than ever before, and actually getting to spend my time serving my clients and customers instead of spending my days drumming up business and buried in busy work. So let's break it down. The autopilot profit system runs on 5 key phases: attract an audience, capture leads, nurture trust and authority, convert sales, and scale. If you're struggling to grow your business to 20K months, then you're likely missing one or maybe even a few of these phases in your strategy. Attract starts with getting clear on your niche, which I define as who you help and how you help them as it relates to what you sell. Clarity here is the first step because without it, you will struggle to create content that resonates with your ideal client. You can have the best products, services, and business on the planet, and if no one knows you exist, you won't get any sales. On the flip side, you can have tens of thousands of followers, and if they're not actively looking for the solution that your business provides, they won't become buyers. Once you're clear on your niche, it's all about creating a value-based content strategy that's centered around who you help and how you help them. Your content should be focused on helping that person with those problems. It's that simple. I recommend choosing one social media platform to focus on for at least 90 days before you try to add any others into the mix. While a lot of coaches will tell you that you should be repurposing content to every single platform, I'm here to tell you the opposite, at least at first. I hit over $500,000 in sales with my business through one social media platform. Taking the time to slow down and focus on what it takes to be successful on one platform will allow you to hone your strategy and your messaging without getting overwhelmed. And then once you get in a rhythm and you're getting results, you can add something else. Attracting an audience of buyers is the first step, but it's not the only step or even the most important step. From there, you've got to move into phase 2, which is to capture leads. If someone sees your social media content and they like it, and then they just keep on scrolling by without becoming a permanent part of your world, it does you no good. The easiest and most leveraged way to turn a casual viewer into a qualified lead is to create a valuable, downloadable resource that you offer your audience for free in exchange for their name and email. This is called a lead magnet, and if you want more ideas on how to create the right lead magnet for your specific business, check out this video. Once someone becomes a lead, it's time to nurture that trust and authority that you have started with them and watch it grow. People do business with those that they know, like, and trust. Your nurturing strategies should establish you as a trusted resource that your audience wants to buy from and do business with. It keeps you top of mind so that when your ideal client is ready to buy, you are the person they think of. My nurturing strategy consists of two main elements: my email list and my free Facebook community. Email is by far the highest grossing asset in my business. It accounts for over 97% of my business's revenue every single year. My Facebook community, there we go, is a place where I get to build relationships and establish trust with my most engaged audience members. By leveraging my group and my email list and using them in tandem for live promotions, I'm able to turn leads into raving fans who are eager to buy. Now, phase 4 of the autopilot profit system is convert. A business that doesn't convert sales is not a business. The literal definition of business is to engage in commerce or sales. I use 2 automated sales funnels that run in the background of my business 24/7 to convert daily sales from my audience. They both lead with free value. That's the lead magnet that I mentioned in phase 2, and they drive back to my paid offers on the back end. By simply focusing on creating valuable content for my ideal client and using my sales funnels as the call to action in 80% of what I post, I was able to grow my business from no sales to my first 20K month in 90 days. This is what I mean when I say that most online business owners are overcomplicating the process and spending too much time on activities that don't drive revenue for your business, or that don't drive the majority of the revenue for your business. By simply getting your funnels up and running and then creating content that drives people to that funnel, you can scale to 20K months. And don't get me wrong, that sentence makes the process sound easy. It's not easy, but it is simple, and that's the key that I want you to take away. Once you've got the first 4 phases locked in, it's time for phase 5, which is to scale. In addition to my 2 automated funnels, I do 1 live promotion every quarter that drives my audience to literally anything I want to sell or recommend. This could be as robust as a live launch to a higher ticket signature program, or as simple as a 5 email series that goes out to your email list offering a limited time offer on one of your products and programs. People are always shocked to learn that I've closed over $300,000 in sales for my business before I ever did a live promotion. Instead, I stayed focused on growing my audience and optimizing my automated sales funnels so they were working for me 24/7. More offers does not equal more money. You don't need more things to sell. You simply need to get better at selling the things you already have. So let's recap. My autopilot profit system is the proven funnel formula that took me from no sales to consistent 20K months in 90 days. It's got 5 key phases: attract an audience, capture leads, nurture trust and authority, convert sales, and scale. In practice, it looks like consistently creating high value content for your ideal client, then using calls to action to automated sales funnels in at least 80% of that content. This creates daily sales and turns your business into a machine that's working for you 24/7. Then you scale by adding in live promotions once a quarter for additional offers and cash injections. If you want to see the 2 funnels I used to hit this 20K month milestone in just 90 days, then I invite you to grab my free automated sales funnel blueprint. Inside this free guide, I share the 2 funnel templates I used to hit consistent 20K months in my business, showing you exactly how to create funnels that lead with free value and share your paid offers on the back end. You can grab it free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/blueprint. All right, that's all I got for today. If you want to learn more about this process, then I invite you to check out a recent 4-part video series I did breaking down the steps of this profit system in more detail. You can watch it at this playlist right here. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time a new training is added to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.